first time in New York City, it took me 2 hours to get scammed. So the first time I get scammed, you know what I'm saying? Buddy tell me he got a bike in the carousel. He say, hey, it's gonna be $8 a minute, you feel me? And I give him his location. My location said, shit, it's gonna take me 7 minutes to get over there. I'm like, 7 times 8, that's a little crazy, but damn, I don't feel like walk. I get in the carriage. This me getting scammed right here. So I tell Buddy it's gonna be like $50. Son, he like, yeah. Cost $112 to go 1.2 miles. $112. Shout out to Buddy right there. But listen, the reason why I'm headed to New York is because I'm doing a little short film, and these are some of the homies right here. You feel me? A part of the production. You know what I'm saying? Let us know who you are.
You check out my mixtape at datpiff.com. Rapper, I got the most bars in Houston. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, I'm a cinematographer. My name is Will Rouse. Excited to work on this project with the big homie. Let's do it.
Yeah, man.
Kyle Cunningham. I'm here to support my man Will and full focus.
We just kicking that shit right here. And who we got right here, man? Oh snap. You see who we got right here.
Yo, what's good, y'all? You know this man George?
You ain't gotta hype me up. Listen, he ain't supposed to hype me up. He supposed to tell y'all who he is.
My name is Chase Johnson. I'm a writer, I'm a director, I'm a young human being. I'm sharing life and breath through the great consciously. Y'all don't know? Y'all better know.
Yeah, hey, I'm excited to go to New York. Really, right now I feel like a little kid. You see what I'm saying? Somebody that's never been to New York, I feel like it was the first city you heard about is, the Big Apple, the city that never sleeps, all that stuff, right? So being able to go for the first time, being able to put my eyes on it, it's like, all right, we're gonna see what the hype is about. We're gonna see it's them rats and them roaches as big as y'all claim they is. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if it's expensive to say they is. They're supposed to be staying in Midtown, shooting in Harlem, and shooting a little bit in Brooklyn. We'll see how it go, man. The light, listen, man. I'm trying to make sure. Do I look like I'm of European, you know what I'm saying, ethnicity? I just landed in New York, you see what I'm saying? I'm a country bumpkin, so I'm asking like, hey, what island is, you feel me, the Liberty statue at? Bro, tell me Ellis Island. I'm like, do folks live over there? He like, nah, it's only over there. Folk gonna hit me with the, that's where all the European migrants came in. That's where all of us came in. I looked at Chase like, is he talking about? Listen, man. First time outside in the great Apple City, looking at what it is. It is so windy. They say it's brick. It's cold as shit.
It's not brick right now.
Oh, wow. Growing up, they said, the city ain't never sleep. Shit, everybody sleep around here today, though. That's what it's about, man. And it's my first time ever in New York City, so I'm just enjoying the scene, man. I'm from Texas. and shit. So, my first time being in the Big Apple, man. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate you. You know me, it's big little brother. He's probably bigger than me, though. And how you rate the people that's on the land. As a southerner that's used to getting more variations of the sky, like I gotta do a lot to see the sky. You know what I'm saying? And then the grass and the trees around here is scarce.
I like that a lot.
It's scarce. In Texas, our projects is flat. You know what I'm saying? Here the projects is skyscrapers, damn it.
A bad one.
Oh yeah.
Could have just gave a better one.
I can only imagine what type of world this is when you step into this space and place. You hit an elevator. I can only imagine. I can only imagine, man.
Knocked out.
Right now we are scouting scenes.
I am Alexis. I'm the coordinator on this.
Yeah, the coordinator of this. What is this?
This project that we're working on right now, this amazing project about Afrofuturism. Yes, I'm the one who makes sure we have a place to go when things work and happen.
Your family's from Indiana. No, my family is from Indiana and been in Compton for 3 generations.
So is mine.
Have you been all up in there?
You haven't been all up in there.
I haven't been all up in there.
Yes, I have. How you gonna tell me about my
I gotta
experience?
tell you about my experience.
I asked you a question. I asked you. I said I haven't been there, and I said yes. Though. I said yes. My answer was yes.
Okay.
So then I asked you.
My cousins are still in Compton right now.
No, that's dope. But have you?
All I'm saying is both the East Coast and the West Coast music kind of and the South shit really got a little more flavor, more twang
I just
to
started
it. You know
making
what I'm
music
saying?
last week.
Oh shit.
Y'all make music about my horse. You're writing.
Y'all started 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Little baby was just born.
Hold on, man. You better put some respect on the Ghetto Boys, Scarface.
Old Town Road.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen.
I got Paul Wall.
Okay, I see. Okay, Beastie Boys. Hold on, now bring that ass here. Motherfucking, hold on, Vanilla Ice. Goddamn.
Okay. Y'all whole ass chopped and screwed.
Shit, hey,
Y'all
listen.
taking 10 years to hear a song.
Hey, think about it though. Think about how many New Yorkers they got put on with the Houston town sound particularly.
That's specific. But we ain't from New York.
I respect that.
You know what I'm saying?
I respect
All right, we
that.
can bring that ass here too, West Coast. Hold on though. Hold on. So you gonna try to tell me that funk, that you gonna try to tell me ain't got no roots down there to the south? You gonna tell me that blues and
The blues.
talk to me now?
Okay, so look, we are definitely influenced by the blues because the blues gave context to our funk music.
Some respect on it,
And our funk music came from the Midwest.
Okay. Okay.
And we brought that funk out
You're
west.
right though. You know.
You know.
We are from the same tribe.
Put me to work already.
That kind of remind me of, hey, Doug, that dude on the door, the blue dude on the door.
Consciously from Instagram.
Yes, it is.
Because education is elevation.
Yes, indeed. Hey, where we at?
We're in Harlem right now. We're on Manhattan Avenue. Consciously. Period.
This is Real Deal Reactions.
That's pretty dope.
And stay tuned for the short film.
We can't just. Yeah, bro, we really out here shooting my new music video, bro. Called Team Jordan, you feel me? Team Jordan, retro 1, 2, and 3s, bro. You know how we do out here? We don't wear retros, baby. Team all day, you feel me? I'm out here with my homie, my crew right now. You know, y'all heard this song yet? So I'm preview for it. You ready for it? All right, go. Team Jordan, ay, Team Jordan, ay, skirt, stuff on like Jeff Gordon, ay, yeah, skirt, ay, everything.
What's going on? Appreciate you, man.
You don't understand, bro.
Yeah.
You don't understand what your content has done for me.
Appreciate you.
You have no idea.
Yeah.
You
Let
have
me
no
know,
idea.
man.
Like I can't even put it into words, bro.
Hey, you
like-
have no idea right now in this moment. I needed to hear this right now at this moment. Because right now, People Gang, what we doing? We shooting a short film on the shit that I be doing, and I'm trying to come up with a nice, genuine, you feel me, conclusion. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
I'm talking about Afrofuturism and the power of black people being able to own our shit and dictate
Right.
the value of our shit.
Right.
And you coming to me right now just gave me the affirmation I needed, bro. So I
Bro.
appreciate you. Real talk.
You from New York?
Huh?
You from New York?
Nah, it's my first time in New
This
York
your
ever,
first
bro.
time?
My
That's
first
what I'm
time
saying. I
ever.
knew you wasn't
Yeah.
from here, so when
I'm
I
from
saw
Texas,
you,
bro.
I knew you was from the
Yeah,
South.
yeah.
So when I saw you, I'm like, yo, what is he doing on
Yeah.
block right now?
I'm
Yo,
literally doing this
I
shit
get a
right
pic
here.
with you real quick?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nah, this is crazy. This is crazy.
Appreciate it, bro. I really,
Bro, I'ma send
really,
that to you.
really just gave me some life right here,
Yo,
though.
a lot of- yo.
Now I'm about to do this shit and be gone.
One question for you.
Yeah.
Any advice, anything you could give me, just 23, young, trying to figure it out, trying to get it.
Right now I'm tired as hell. It's been a long week away from the wife and kids, a long ass week from the wife and kids. This morning we shooting the last scenes of the short film. I'm about to get into my monologue, get my juice on, you know. What bridge we on right now? Williamsburg. We on Williamsburg Bridge. Just kidding. Put the camera on that man. Put the camera on this man right here. Put the camera on this man.
Right now we on the William Bridge, you feel me? Cause then my great daddy grandpa. You know what I'm saying?
Look at this nigga.
We really out here, bro. Look at the city, bro. We got the view.
Look at this
Top floor got the condos. Bring them out. What's up? You feel me? We really out here sweating.
Yeah, and that gentleman right there, very talented gentleman. He has mastered the art of being corny in a way that I feel like he can create a montage of creations. You see what I'm saying?
Shout out to Buddy right there. You know, first time in New York City, took me 2 hours to get scammed. Landed last night, realized it was a lot colder than I had prepared for. So I'm staying in Manhattan. I had to rock down there to Times Square to get me a jacket. You feel me? This is the one I end up going with, drip. That ain't the point though. So the first time I get scammed, you know what I'm saying? Buddy tell me he got a bike in the carousel. He say, hey, it's gonna be $8 a minute, you feel me? And I give him his location. My location said, shit, it's gonna take me 7 minutes to get over there. I'm like, shit, 7 times 8? That's a little crazy, but damn, I don't feel like walking. It's cold. People waiting on me for dinner. I get in the carriage. This me getting scammed right here. So I tell Buddy it's gonna be like $50. Son, he like, yeah. Cost $112 to go 1.2 miles. $112. Then I'm so embarrassed, I don't even want to tell you about the second time how I got scammed. Just know, I paid $95 for something I shouldn't have paid $95 for. Use your imagination. And two, one of the lessons you already learned. In this city right here, slippers count, they get sniffed out. You see what I'm saying? So you look green, they will lick your clean. You see what I'm saying? So you really gotta be on your P's and Q's, stay 10 toes, you know what I'm saying, planning. And make sure you watch your surroundings, you know what I'm saying? Y'all get some behind the scenes, man. Brooklyn Bridge, biggest shit. P. Diddy had them really walk across this mug for some cheesecake? Oh man, finally headed home. It's been one hell of a trip, one hell of a week. I ain't even had my camera up the whole time I was in LA, but I've been gone for a week. I miss my wife, I miss my kids. Yesterday we finished up the set. I was so tired that I ain't even had to be able, I didn't even put my big camera out, you know what I mean? My flight leave through Newark, New Jersey. So shit, I've been heading to Newark early because that's how ready I am to go. And I'm hungry and I'm tired, so I'm gonna get over there and get me some food. But I wasn't able to get me like the little chopped cheese and no shit like that. But I was able to get me some New York pizza. I was able to get me some hot dog. I enjoyed the hot dog. I enjoyed the pizza. It was good. Last night I went to I think Flatbush, Brooklyn. Shout out to Olimi Alarm. Shout out to you, appreciate you, man. You showed me some great hospitality. Shout out to, Will. When able to pull up on you, Hoorae, apologies. Hopping in the lift. Not Uber hopping in the lift, because Uber's fucking with Trump, don't mess with Trump. But hopping in the lift. And now we headed to Newark, man. To the airport. I'm so tired. Like I'm talking about, it's the most tired I've ever been. I have a new game respect for everybody in film. From the production crew to the actors to the PAs to the people that's making sure they driving you from location to location. Like it's very tiring. I only did like a 10 to 15 minute movie. The editor's still trying to decide if they want to make it, when they want to make it in between 10 to 15 minutes. But I couldn't imagine doing an hour and a half movie, 2 hour movie because oh my God, you know what I'm saying? My wife calling me right now. Hello? Yeah, now that I think about it, it was a whole bunch of stuff that went down. I wasn't able to even get on the camera because we was on set. But yesterday in Harlem, I tell you, I was overstimulated, overwhelmed trying to do this. I had to repeat the same lines. I say like 40, 50 times. I feel like it was like 40, 50 times. I didn't have a script, so I had to remember certain lines and freestyle a whole bunch of other ones. And it just made it where you was just mentally exhausted. You feel me? I think it was called, Eid Mubarak. Like it was the end of Ramadan. So shit, we was in like the Somalian part of Harlem. Shit, man, them boys and girls, they was dripped out, so they seen their camera there, so shit, they want to hop in the camera every time, so, you know what I mean, shit, they added a little something to it, but that was dope, though, actually, you know what I mean, there's a few people that spotted me, made me feel very good, my first time being in New York, and people were like, oh, consciously, I was like, oh, it feel good. Actually, one of them was it was two that really stood out to me yesterday. This dude who was shooting the closing scene, he had a monologue, so I had to keep on doing the monologue over so I can get a couple of different edits of it, right, or a couple of different shots of it. So whenever we be shooting, this dude pop out of nowhere, this black dude, he talking shit. He, you know, you gotta have respect for the tenants and this, that, and the other, this, that, and the other. You know what I'm saying? This black woman that pulled up. And when I tell you, like, she got on his ass, like, do you know what that is? That's conscious lead. People come over here all the time and take from us and do stuff for us. He doing something actually for us. He doing, you wrong for doing this. They ain't doing nothing, woo woo. She came over there and hollered at me and was like, I want to apologize, Conscious. I know it's your first time in my city. I hope we ain't being too mean to you. To this, that, and the other. I'm like, nah, I get it. I know what I'm saying. I hear this, that, and the other, but it made me feel cool. Like this woman, like this black woman got on this nigga ass, like, hey, you doing too much, and you know what I'm saying. Then dude was like, dude didn't even live at the building. You know what I'm saying? He was just over there trying to, for like, I guess he'd be a good Samaritan, but I get it though. A lot of people come to New York and pull out a whole bunch of cameras and shit, you know what I'm saying, and go to neighborhoods that ain't theirs, and people that live there, is from there, been born and raised there their whole life, like, man, what's going on? Or people don't really, you know what I'm saying, talk to them, you know what I mean, they don't engage with them. So I made sure to try to engage with, you know what I'm saying, we went to Brooklyn, we went to Harlem, went to Brooklyn, Harlem, Manhattan, and I think we went to one part of Queens. And I get it, you know what I'm saying? But I wish I would have got it on camera. And then this other dude had walked up on me. I think I might be able to get that from the editors and hopefully get that to my editor. But this other dude had walked up to me, was 23 years old. He told me how much of a fan he was of me, and he told me that he was excited that he met me. When I asked for a picture, then he asked me, like, what is something he'll tell her? What's some advice I would give to a young 23-year-old black man trying to do X, Y, and Z? So shit, I told him, like, you know, like, man, I wish somebody would have told me when I was 23. And I just told him, like, man, if it don't matter right, if it don't matter in 5 years, whatever you invest in your time and for the energy in, then it don't matter at all, and leave it alone. You know what I'm saying? Then I explained to him what that meant. He kind of like chewed on it a little bit, asked for his picture, snapped it up, and he walked away. You know what I'm saying? At that time, when I had seen him particularly, I was like, when we had been on set, it was probably like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We had been on set since 8:30, and after 8:30 that morning, that was on our third scene. I had repeated the line. It was a lot. So I was like, man, appreciate you. I need these words of affirmation, need the support. It was what it was.